Recently, one of my subscribers put me onto a channel called Psyche Depth, and what I found blew me away. This channel was created just a few months ago, yet it has already crossed over 5 million views and gained more than 80,000 subscribers, with every single video pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. So what's their secret? Their niche is highly magnetic, female psychology and modern dating dynamics. A topic that always sparks curiosity, debate, and emotion. But here's the real trick. Instead of just talking into a camera, they use sketch-like stick figure animations. These visuals look simple, but they're incredibly powerful. They instantly grab attention, they're easy to follow, and they keep people watching all the way through. And when you combine that kind of audience retention with a hot niche, you get videos that explode in views, and a channel that's making serious money every month. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create these exact types of viral videos using free AI tools. So make sure you watch until the very end, because every step matters. Alright, let's dive in. The very first step is getting the right topic. Just like the channel we're modeling, you need subjects that tap into female psychology, dating dynamics, and human behavior, things people can't help but click on. To make this process super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with proven prompts you can use with ChatGPT. With these prompts, you'll be able to instantly generate your own unique video topics, as well as engaging scripts designed to hook viewers and keep them watching. I've dropped the link to the Google Doc down in the description, so make sure you check it out. It's literally a shortcut to creating endless viral ideas in this niche. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor. Hit the like button right now. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more creators like you. Alright, let's jump back into the tutorial. Open the Google Doc and copy the topic prompt directly from there. Next, head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt inside ChatGPT, but before you hit enter, make one small adjustment. Type in the number of video ideas you want it to generate for you. For example, you can ask for 10, 20, or even 50 ideas in one go. The more options you have, the easier it is to find hidden gems. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of unique, intriguing, and highly clickable video ideas based on the niche of female psychology and modern dating dynamics. These are topics designed to spark curiosity, boost watch time, and attract massive views. Go through the list carefully and choose the idea that really jumps out at you. This is important because your topic is the foundation of your video. Get this step right, and you're setting yourself up for higher click-through rates and more viral potential. Now that we've chosen our video topic, the next step is to generate our script. Head over to the Google Doc once again, copy the script prompt, and then paste it directly into ChatGPT. Before you hit enter, make a couple of quick but important adjustments. First, type in the number of minutes you want your final video to run. This helps ChatGPT structure the script with the right pacing and length. Next, input the number of the topic you chose earlier so the AI knows exactly which idea to expand on. Once you're done, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete, engaging, viewer-focused script tailored for the female psychology and modern dating dynamics niche. These scripts are designed to grab attention in the first few seconds, hold viewers all the way to the end, and maximize your chances of going viral. The next step is generating a professional voiceover. For this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Head over to the ElevenLabs and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech and you'll see the voiceover creation interface. Now copy the script we generated earlier with ChatGPT and paste it directly into the text box inside ElevenLabs. Next, do a quick cleanup of your script. Remove any headings or timestamps. This ensures your final voiceover flows smoothly and sounds professional. Next, click on the Voices tab. Here you'll be presented with a wide selection of male and female AI voices. Preview a few options until you find the one that matches the tone of your video. Once you've chosen your voice, click Generate Speech, and in just seconds, ElevenLabs will produce a polished, studio-quality voiceover. From there, simply download the file straight to your device. The next step is generating the visuals for our video. But before that, we need the right image prompts. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it in. Now here's the important part. If you want your visuals to look similar to the style of the channel we're modeling, you can take a screenshot of one of their videos and upload it into ChatGPT along with the prompt. This way, the AI will understand the sketch-like black and white stick figure style they're using. However, I strongly recommend developing your own unique visual style instead of replicating theirs exactly. This makes you stand out. For this tutorial, I won't replicate their exact style. Once you paste the prompt, hit enter and ChatGPT will instantly generate detailed image prompts that you can use with AI image generators to create consistent, engaging visuals for your video. Now it's time to generate the images for our video. For this, we'll be using Google ImageFX. Open ImageFX and log into your account. Once you're in, go to Settings and change the aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's the perfect format for YouTube videos. This way, all your images will already fit the platform without needing extra cropping. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and then paste it into ImageFX. Click Generate, and within seconds, ImageFX will create 4 different variations of your image based on the prompt. Take a moment to look through the results and pick the one that fits your video style best. Once you've chosen, go ahead and download it directly to your device. Now simply repeat this process for all your prompts, and in just a few minutes you'll have a full library of custom black and white sketch visuals. The next step is to animate our images into video clips, and for this, we'll be using Veo 2. Head over to Google AI Studio and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on the menu bar, then select Generate Media and choose Veo. This will bring you to the animation interface. Now upload the first image you want to animate. Once that's done, go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact prompt you used to generate that image. Return to Veo 2, paste the prompt into the text box, and then click Generate. Within seconds, Veo 2 will process your request and create a fully animated video clip from your static sketch. Preview the result. And as you can see, the animation looks clean, fluid, and ready for use. When you're happy with it, go ahead and download it straight to your device. Now repeat this same process for each of your images until you've built a full set of animated clips. The next step is to get background music for our video. For this step, we'll be using Suno AI. Head over to Suno and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon and you'll be taken to the music creation interface. Since we don't need lyrics for our videos, we only need background tunes. Make sure you select the instrumental option. Now to get the perfect style of music for your video, open ChatGPT and ask it to give you music style perfect for your script, then click enter and in seconds ChatGPT will give you the perfect one. Copy that music style and paste it directly into Suno. Give your track a title, then click on Create, and Suno will start generating. In just a few seconds, you'll have 2 unique instrumental tracks based on the style you provided. Listen to both tracks. Pick the one that best fits your video's mood and then download it straight to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. Click on New Project and import all the animated clips you generated earlier. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's the perfect size for YouTube videos. Now import the voiceover we created with ElevenLabs and place it on the timeline. Carefully cut out any silent gaps in the narration so it flows smoothly. Once that's clean, start arranging your animated clips in the right order to sync perfectly with the voiceover narration. To make your video more engaging, add motion effects. Click on the first clip, add a keyframe at the beginning, then move to the end of the clip and slightly zoom in or out to add another keyframe. This creates a smooth motion effect that keeps viewers' eyes engaged. Repeat this for all your clips to give your video a polished, professional look. Next, let's add transitions between each clip. Click on Overlay, browse through the different transitions and choose the one that fits your style. Once you find the right one, click Apply to All so the effect is added across your entire video. Now let's add captions to boost retention and accessibility. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions and you'll see a range of caption templates. Pick one you like, click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create captions for your whole script. Adjust the size and position so it looks clean on screen. Finally, import the background music we created earlier in Suno. Trim any extra audio and reduce the volume so it enhances your video without overpowering the narration. Once everything is in place, watch the full video from start to finish to make sure it flows smoothly. When you're satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K, and download the video directly to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Most men live their entire lives blind to one brutal truth. What women want is almost never what they say. You listen to her words, but her nervous system tells a completely different story. Biologically, women are wired to hide their true desires because evolution favored subtlety. That's why men who rely only on what she says always end up confused, rejected, or friend-zoned. Here's the secret. Her signals don't come as one obvious sign. They come in clusters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop any question in the comment section.